I realized that service conferences are almost always held in developed countries. However, there were no opportunities for young researchers or people who are entering research to test their models or even to get feedback at various conferences. So my thought was to create a new type of conference, but not as a conference, but giving researchers or young researchers an opportunity to learn and simultaneously present. Whole symposium is a workshop of learning.
I was the co-chair of the second IRSSM, and then I think that the IRSSM is very important, very valuable to me. Even though I'm an engineer, I think that I'm happy to attend this symposium because I think that services cannot be separated from other industries.
Struggling so easy to be struggling. Say, well, I was like, oh, there's the sun.
This is when algorithms doesn't say these it seems like contradictory.
Overall, I would assume definitely what is the acting actors, so we can see.
It's a challenge to distract.
IRSSM is a family for me.
Is a place to connect to people and get this emotional care and help from everybody.
The start for my PhD.
It's a great platform because when you come over here, you get to meet eminent professors.
Is the most fun place to be if you're a new researcher.
It's a real place where I can not only to learn, but also give me some inspiration for my research.
It's a place that I feel I'm engaged and connected.
So it's a very good experience for me. So I hope to come to the next IRSSM conference.